I answered the question, a filtered list of contacts. A filtered list of contacts, companies, or deals as being the correct answer. I checked the answer and it's saying it's wrong. And I did it over. The second answer, and they're telling me it's wrong as well when I check it. Hold on, Avilash, hold on. I check the third answer, color scheme that each user can use for themselves. Check the answer to make sure it's correct. And it's saying, not quite, try again. Check the fourth answer. A report of the work sales represented during the current month. Check the answer and same thing. So they're telling me that all four answers to the question are wrong.